Hello, welcome to our new channel, Finance and Life, and here is my first video, Make Money from Dividends. What is a dividend? Well, for those of you who don't know, it's a company's distribution of their profits to their investors. Now, for example, let's say you buy 500 shares in company ABC, and they, the quarter or the annual dividend, say May 2019, they pay $1 per share, and they'll give you $500. Yes. So, what if you were to reinvest that $500 back into company ABC? Alright, let me show you this example here. See this little thing I set up, taken it from one of my articles, which is in this link below. So if you get the $500, reinvest it at $10. Now note, these aren't realistic. They're just realistic figures. They're just fixed amounts, just for sake of simplicity. So you reinvest $500, so at $10 per share. I'll bring up an example here. 500 divided by $10 per share, give you 50 shares, and when you add those 50 shares to existing 500 shares, you'll get 550 shares, and as you go on every year, you could see it has this compound effect. So like as you can see here, your value just increases like 10% annually. So that is actually pretty good, but in real life, you would probably the best you would see is, I don't know, maybe typically 2 to 5%, I would say. Now I'll post a link. Here's a link below the image if you want to read the article. I'll post it down below in the video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright.